Nigerian drivers, get ready for a ride that will change the way you see your car. Today, we are diving into the heart of your engine, the air filter. Picture this. You are cruising through Lagos traffic, feeling the power in your car, and unbeknownst to you, your engine is struggling to breathe. You see, just like we need clean air to thrive, our cars need it too. The air filter is the guardian that ensures only pure, clean air enters our engine's lungs. But here's the twist. Over time, your filter gets clogged with dirt, dust, and the struggles of our Nigerian roads. It's like trying to run a marathon race with a blocked nose. Your car's performance suffers for is wasted and you are left wondering why. Fear not, my fellow drivers. There's a simple solution that will bring life back into your engine. It's time to give your car a breath of fresh air. Regularly checking and replacing your air filter is like a breath of relief for your engine. If it ensures optimum performance, saves you money, and keeps your car running smoothly on our challenging Nigerian roads. So, no they play. Let's make a pact. Promise to give your car the care it deserves. Check and replace that air filter as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. Together, we will conquer the roads of Nigeria, empowering our engines to roar with pride. Now, it's your turn to take action. Like, comment, share, and save this video to spread the word. And be sure to follow me for more helpful tips tailored for Nigerian drivers like you. Remember, every decision we make shapes our car's destiny. Stay tuned for more captivating stories and practical advice.